Hello everyone, in this video today I'll show you how to change your key fob battery on your 2018 plus Honda GoldWing. So if you ever turn the ignition on and you get that key light blinking as well as a warning sign here, this means that your battery needs a replacement on your key fob.
Alright, so here I have my key fob in my pouch here. We'll take it out. Here it is. And what else I have? I have a flat screwdriver here. That's what you'll need to change or release the key and then change the battery. These are some of the tools I always carry with me on my bike, and the reason is because they have knife, cutter, a flat screwdriver, and a few other tools that come in handy just in case you want to change your battery or do any small maintenance on the go. I typically carry a few of these batteries as well. The battery that goes in the key fob is 2032. Make sure to use a good brand, so like Duracell or Energizer or any of the good brands out there, so your battery lasts long. I typically would change the battery once a year, but I wanted to test and see how long the OEM battery lasts, and my current OEM battery, which is in this key fob, has lasted me approximately about 3 years. At 2.5 year mark, when I parked my bike for the winter, I got the warning to change the battery, but I didn't change it. I thought, let it die, we'll see what happens. So the key is inserted here. You would need probably a flat screwdriver like this to release it. So you see the release button here. This is what you need to press. You can either press with your nail as well. You might be able to release it. If not, then just use a flat screwdriver. Push it like this, and you see the key is released. You take the key, turn it around, insert it inside, and just slightly twist it up, and you will see the cover opens in two. Here it is. Just push it a little bit more up. I guess it's maybe stuck somewhere. So it's finally opened up into here. You can see the battery here. The OEM battery is made in Indonesia, and it's a 2032. So to release it, there's a small sort of a place here where you can insert your flat screwdriver and just push it out. We'll just replace it with the new one. Here Alright, we'll just push this back in, and that's it. You can probably see my key looks new. I pamper my key a lot. This is probably the second time I'm ever taking it out. Make sure to turn the key fob on, just in case you keep it in a pouch or something. So just press the button here, and you turn the key fob on. You see the little light flashing on top, and it's all good. Let's go and test it now on the bike. I'm back near the bike now. As you can see, since the bike, the key fob was turned on, I can see the light here. It's detecting the key. We'll turn it on now to see how it is. Alright, so the key didn't flash anymore there, which was flashing previously, as well as the warning sign that was down here to replace the key fob battery is gone as well. So that's about it. It's a pretty 2-minute step. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.